Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 28th May 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Last night, US market was on holiday, but other Asian market and some European market was open along with the Indian market. So first, let's have a quick look on what happened on Indian market and European market yesterday, and then we can discuss about what we can expect today. If required, please pause and have a look. The top left Nifty, bottom left Reliance, top right Bank Nifty, bottom right Nifty IT. Here financials, IT and Reliance all together comes close to 60% weightage in Nifty. As you see here, yesterday the main dragger was Reliance. I agree the final hour profit booking was mainly due to the election related nervousness, but about that already in the last pre-market video for this whole week we already discussed it, so no point in repeating those. Anyway, back to yesterday's price action. Reliance was under pressure yesterday probably due to two reasons. One, not just Reliance, whole oil and gas and whole energy sector itself was under pressure since later this week there is a OPEC plus meeting is scheduled, so there is some uncertainty around oil price which in turn puts pressure on whole energy sector. Second, Goldman Sachs released the huge report about Reliance Industries. In that, they cut the present financial year Reliance Industries EBITDA's forecast by 2.2%. As a consequence, they also reduced the future target price. Not much, but still from 3,435 rupees per share to 3,420 rupees per share. So both these put together pressures the Reliance share price on the downside. Meanwhile, in other news, BSE made the announcement effective from June 24th in the Sensex index they are going to replace Wipro with Adani Port, which in turn increased the Adani Port stock share price by over 1% and dragged down the Wipro by around 2.5%. About institution, yesterday too FII was net sellers. They net sold for 540 crore rupees while DIA net bought for near 920 crore rupees. So as a net addition around 380 crore rupees. Those were the quick takeaway from yesterday's Indian market. Then coming to European market, at present there was a huge expectation that European Central Bank will start to cut the interest rate from next week onwards, as already in Europe consumer inflation fell around 2%. So most of them opened positive and also closed positive. However, US future market yesterday during Indian market trade time, it was near 1% down, but that also because of the positive European market improved in the night. More importantly, at present now in the morning, US future market is trading 0.3 to 0.5% positive. In terms of oil, again this OPEC plus meeting on June 2nd expect to extend the oil output production cut by 2.2 million barrels per day, which in turn increased the oil price by around 1%. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading near 78.5 US dollars per barrel and Brent crude trading around 83 US dollars per barrel. Then regarding GIFT Nifty, at 3 a.m. Indian Standard Time, it closed at 23,025, which kind of indicating flat to 30 points gap down opening today. So that's all about what happened yesterday. Now coming to today's Indian market related info. First, LIC and NMDC released their Q4 results. Here I can't able to find any analyst estimation for LIC Q4 results, so I can't able to say it beats the analyst or didn't. Rather, I will tell what I think. First, positives. Their net premium increased over 15% and its gross NPA decreased from 2.5 to around 2%, which were okay. But on the other hand, net profit compared to a year ago increased only by 2.5% and their new premium business and the new premium business margin both declined. So personally, I think negativity outweighs the positive ones. Second, about Sun Pharma, India rating upgraded the stock as they expect the revenue increase in US business segment. So this looks like positive for Sun Pharma. On the other hand, US brokerage Bernstein downgraded the delivery stock as they said that they see the new startup Meesho's logistics as the huge threat to the business. So both the stock, Sun Pharma and delivery, both will be on focus. Moving on, Yesterday, RBI announced that they are going to conduct the 40,000 crore rupees worth of government securities buyback on May 30. I mean, generally, this is positive because it increases the liquidity in the banking system. But in the last 2 weeks, already for two times, RBI tried this buyback for 60,000 crore rupees. In both the occasion, it was a failure. In both the time, market reacted positively, and in the end, things didn't happen. So I don't know how market will react to it today. Finally, regarding Reliance, not yet officially confirmed, but we can expect the confirmation anytime. This is what mentioned in the news website. Reliance Industries is going to offer 5G infrastructure network to Africa in the telecom venture partnership. I mean, we know already Airtel is one of the strong established player in Africa. It looks like now Reliance also looking to expand, which generally we can consider as positive. Let's see. So, as a summary, at present, global momentum is marginally positive, but as I said, there are some negativity and nervousness around Indian market. So, Gift Nifty is indicating negative opening. But again, this R-based 40,000 crore rupees buyback and Reliance Jio business expansion in Africa, both we can consider as positive, but I'm not sure about its impact. Moving on, as per stock open interest, SAIL, Alcom Lab, Sun TV, ZTV, Airtel, NTPC, SBI Life Insurance, and Power Grid got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short build-up. On the other hand, Glenmark, Torrent Pharma, IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Auto, HDFC AMC, JK Cement got an increase in open interest with a positive price close indicating the long build-up. About the things to look out, there is no scheduled release that I'm aware for India particular. However, during our market hours at 11:30 a.m., there is a schedule for release Germany's wholesale inflation data. Here, as long as there is no drastic change, we don't need to worry too much. And in the night, US consumer confidence data and various housing price index related data are some of the important items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened 80 points gap up and hit an intraday record high of 23,111 in the afternoon, but profit booking in the last hour of trade dragged it down to below 22,900 and finally closed at around there. Thus, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a bearish candlestick pattern with upper and lower shadow. Here, for the 11th consecutive session, Nifty continued to form higher high formation and traded above all key moving average despite the selling pressure at higher level, which is a positive sign. However, the up move was not supported by momentum as on the hourly chart there was a negative crossover. Thus, we can expect more consolidation before the next leg of the uptrend with a support at 22,800. Then, in case of Bank Nifty, for the third day in a row, it outperformed Nifty, opened 140 points gap up above 49,000 but encountered selling pressure around the 49,600 range and still closed above 49,000 mark for the first time in the last 16 trading sessions. Thus, on the daily chart, unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty formed a bullish candlestick pattern. However, it had a long upper shadow which again indicates the higher level selling pressure. Bank Nifty maintained higher low formation for the third consecutive session and traded above all key moving averages with a positive bias in the RSI momentum indicator. Hence, the overall sentiment is positive with strong support at 49,000 level. Closing above 49,600 could drive Bank Nifty towards 50,000. Regarding the options front, the maximum call option open interest was at 24,000 strike, followed by 23,500 and 23,000 with maximum call option rating at 23,200, then 23,100 and 23,500 strike. Whereas on the put side, the maximum open interest was at 23,000 strike, followed by 22,500 and 22,000 with maximum put option rating at 22,400 strike, then 22,100 and 22,000. Thus, from the options data, 23,000 is the crucial for further upward journey. Above 23,000, 23,200 is the key resistance, with critical support is at 22,500. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video, so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.